Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, then you're looking for the best traffic sources for affiliate marketing. So we're going to cover the top three today, and I'm going to show you free traffic sources, right? So stick around till the end of the video. And if this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, I'm always coming out with content that will teach you how to become more profitable with affiliate marketing. So consider subscribing to the channel. Hit that bell notification so you get updated every time we release a new video, all right? So today, let's talk a little bit more about the best traffic sources, and I'm going to focus on free today, and I'm going to kind of explain why, right? So just let me give you a bit of foundations, and then we'll launch into the actual free traffic sources, all right? So the reason why you really want to focus on free versus paid, and the only difference is with free, it's absolutely free. It just takes a little bit more time, right? Obviously, because it's free. For the most part, you might have to pay for a little bit for a little bit, and I'll explain that to you in a second. But the main difference is with paid traffic, you're literally paying for every single lead that you're generating, which can be really, really expensive, okay? Now, the reason why I like free traffic so much, and I've been doing this for a long time, over 13 years, is that with free traffic, it really allows you to make a lot more mistakes in your marketing. And that's important, right? You see, the problem with paid traffic is that if your funnels aren't dialed in to the T, that means they're not perfect, okay? Then you're going to be losing a lot of money with paid strategies because paid advertising is very expensive. Whether you're doing paid ads on Facebook or even solo ads, which are crap, by the way, or TikTok paid ads or Instagram paid ads. Paid ads can be very expensive. YouTube paid ads, right? These can be very expensive sources of traffic, and ad costs continue to rise, right? And that's the thing. You can't really make any mistakes in your marketing, and that's why free is just so much better than paid, all right? The other cool thing about free that I like is that anybody can do it, okay? So because it's a lot more forgiving, free traffic, you can make a lot more mistakes, you can have a lot more holes in your sales funnel because it's free and it's not costing you any money or maybe just a little bit of money. And again, we'll talk about that in a second, right? It's a lot easier for you to actually make profit in your business, and that's really important, right? Again, like I mentioned, paid traffic is expensive and it's very unforgiving, right? So if you're not a great marketer, all right, if you're just a beginner or you're like a so-so marketer, it's going to be very, very difficult for you to make profit with paid marketing strategies. And that's really the biggest problem with paid traffic, right? And so with free traffic, what you have to remember is you have to think long term, not short term. Unfortunately, with free traffic, it does take a little bit of time for you to build that momentum, but it doesn't take that much time. You can get going in like a month, but you have to understand that with free traffic, it's not going to be instant. You know what I mean? With paid traffic, it's instant, right? Like you pay $100, you might get a couple of leads, a few leads today, right? But with free traffic, you're gonna have to build that momentum, get that snowball rolling down that hill before you really start to see that free traffic coming in. But once it starts coming in, it's going to come in on a regular basis, and I'm going to show you some strategies that you can leverage with free traffic. Okay, now if you want to learn how to actually collect the leads, right? So we're talking about traffic strategies right now, but there has to be a way for you to actually collect those email addresses, right? So if you want to check it out, I've got another video that I made recently. Just click on the top there where I show you how to build the best squeeze page, okay, for you to actually collect email addresses for affiliate marketing if you want to check that out, okay? Now let's talk a little bit about the actual sources, right? So we're going to cover three today. So these are absolutely free, all right? So YouTube is free. SEO, you have to pay a little bit of money to get set up, but once you've done that, it does become free, okay? And I'll show you how to do that, and it's not that expensive. And then Facebook, which is absolutely free, okay? So let's start with YouTube, and these are three strategies that anyone can do, right? And you can create a lot of leverage with them as well. So YouTube is really the ultimate leverage, all right? So how YouTube works is basically you go after specific keywords, all right? Let me kind of open this up, and we'll go through this again, just in case you need a refresher. But the way YouTube works is you would basically do keyword research, okay, that people are actually looking for the different keywords that people are actually looking for online, right? So it depends on what you're selling, okay? So if you're selling, remember, affiliate marketing is very broad. You can literally sell anything from dog training to relationship advice to teaching someone how to play, the piano better, to teaching someone how to create a garden in their backyard. I mean, it is endless, right? So basically, you would go after specific keywords in your particular niche, right? So any keyword that you think that your audience member will actually search for. Okay, so it's different for different industries, right? So for dog training, it might be how to stop my dog from peeing on the carpet, how to teach my dog to roll over, right? How to teach my dog to stop biting my slippers, how to walk my dog and stop them from barking at the neighbor's dogs, things like that, right? So any type of keyword that would attract a dog owner is basically your keyword in the dog training space. Okay, in another space like piano playing or gardening or making money from home, the keywords are specific to your particular industry, right? Now, once you've got a list of keywords, and I'll show you how to do that in a second, right? You just need to create engaging videos. You know, videos anywhere from 3 minutes and onwards. 3 to 10 minutes is a nice sweet spot. Okay, it doesn't have to be super long, but also they shouldn't be super short. And remember that you can make videos in any style. They can show your face, they can be presentation style, they can be PowerPoint, keynote style, they can be whiteboard style, they can be animation style, they can be screen recordings, they can be anything. You know, as long as they're videos, they will work. You don't have to actually show a human face, and that's the cool thing about making videos, right? Make sure you have your keywords in the title of your video and in the description at least 2 or 3 times, but make sure you type it out naturally. You don't want to keyword stuff, okay? Because you need to make sure that YouTube knows exactly what your video is about. And then really the trick is that you need to make content on a regular basis. Now here I say make a video every day for 60 days, which means you'll have 60 videos in your account. But basically the reason why I'm saying that is the more active that you get, the quicker that your channel will be actually ranking on YouTube. You see, when you start a brand new channel on YouTube, YouTube has no idea who you are, right? They have no idea who your channel, what your channel is about. So it takes time for the YouTube algorithm to figure that out. And if you don't upload enough video, then YouTube won't be able to figure out what your channel is about. You're not going to have any channel authority, and so they can't rank your videos in the search engines of YouTube. Okay, so sorry if I was saying Google, I meant YouTube, right? And so that's very important for you to get your channel going, is that you need to have enough videos on your channel for YouTube to know exactly what your videos are about so that they can start ranking it, right? And that's why I say the best way to do this is just to take a lot of action and make a video every day for 60 days, and then if you want, you can make a video every other day or every few days. And I mean, if you wanted to, you can make a video a week, but it would just take a long time for YouTube to actually start to rank your videos and know what your channel is about. So I would kind of go aggressive right from the beginning, and then you can start to take it a little bit more easy. Okay, now let me show you on my screen how this actually works, right? So these are some of my videos, right? And now I'm in the affiliate marketing space. So I'm in the affiliate marketing make money space. So I'm going to go after keywords that I know people in my particular industry might look for, and I know that people that search for these keywords are interested in making money online. So for example, I do reviews on products that teach people how to make money. They could be any type of product, right, in the make money space. It could be drop shipping, it could be Amazon FBA, it could be Airbnb, rental arbitrage, it could be real estate, it could be cryptocurrency, it could be affiliate marketing, it could be literally anything. So this is one of the videos that I did. The keyword here is BNB Riches review. It's a product review, right? Look at this. I'm ranking number 1 for this. Now what happens is when somebody searches for this particular keyword, I know that they're interested in making money online because they're looking for a product that teaches them how to make money in general, right? So I'm going to do a review, and then I'm going to do an honest review of what I think of the product, right? And then at the end, I'm going to transition and I'm going to give them a call to action to opt into my capture page, right? Again, if you want to learn how to build a squeeze page or a capture page to capture your leads, I've got a video that's going to show you how to do that in a lot of detail. You can click on the top there, all right? Now here's another style of keyword that I'm going after. Again, I'm going after people in my particular area. People want to find out if affiliate marketing is better or influencer marketing is better. What's the difference? Which direction should they go in? So I made a video about it, and I'm ranking number 1. All right. Again, how did I get this ranking? Well, very, very simple. Again, we covered it right here. Make sure you do your keyword research using the YouTube bar. Create the video itself. Make sure the keywords are in the title and description, and make sure that you have enough videos on similar topics that YouTube actually knows what your video is about. Okay, so I'm just going to come back here again to the screen. If you want to do keyword research, I literally just use the keyword, the YouTube box, and once you type out keywords, you'll see a whole bunch of different keywords that will pop up, and you can make videos based on the different keywords that pop up here. So if you were in dog training, you might type out something like how to stop my dog from barking. Look at this. How to stop my dog from barking. Look at all these keywords that you can make videos on. How to stop my dog from barking. How to stop my dog from barking at other dogs. How to stop my dog from barking when I leave. How to stop my dog from barking at everything. How to stop my dog from barking at the door. Pretty cool stuff, right? And so if you were selling a dog training affiliate program, right, affiliate product, what you would do is all your dog training content would show up on YouTube. So let's just say this was a dog training video, okay? How to stop my dog from barking. You would make a video about how to really stop dogs from barking. So you would need to learn a little bit about it and then give advice to people. It's not difficult to do that, by the way, right? It's very easy for you to learn the content and then teach people in your own words, right? And again, this video could be showing your face, it could be your screen recording, it could be a PowerPoint presentation, it could be a whiteboard style video, it doesn't matter, right? And then you give people value, and at the end of the video, you say something like, listen, if you would like to learn how to, get a full training for your dog and get your dog to be the best dog in the world, then click the link below, opt in, and I'm going to give you a free training where I'm going to show you exactly how to take your dog from A to Z of being a really, really bad dog to being a really, really good dog. See you on the training. So you're giving someone more value to opt in, right? Again, I'll show you how to do that on the video above, on the squeeze page video. And then after that, you can recommend the actual affiliate program that they can buy if they want, which will make you commissions. And that's kind of how it works, okay? So that is really the YouTube strategy. So let's move on to the next strategy right now. And by the way, that's free, okay? That's absolutely free. The next one is SEO. SEO is basically when you rank on Google for particular keyword phrases, very similar to YouTube. So it's all about ranking for keywords right now, right? The difference with SEO is that it's not on YouTube, it's on Google. So the two biggest search engines in the world is YouTube and Google. I don't know if you knew that, right? So if you can get in front of people for the keywords that they're trying to search for, right? And you give them good, valuable content, they will want to opt into your squeeze page or your landing page, and that's how you create leads and that's how you get traffic, okay? Now with SEO, what you would basically do is first of all, you would need a blog, all right? You would need a website. So the easiest way to do it is to hire someone on a website called Fiverr. So this is where you might have to spend a little bit of money, okay? But again, remember, this is infrastructure for your business for the long term. Remember, we want to think long term, not short term, right? This is potentially a multiple six-figure, millions of dollars type of business for you, right? So you got to think long-term, not short-term, right? So you build a blog by hiring someone on Fiverr. Basically, it's very inexpensive. I'm going to show you this in a minute, all right? Then what you do is you can either write the content yourself or you can hire someone to do it if you have a little bit more money. Again, a little bit of money there, but it goes a long way, and then you start getting traffic for free, okay? Then what you can do is once you upload the content on your blog, which I'm going to show you how to do in a second, you can hire an SEO consultant, again, either on Fiverr or Upwork.com, write that down, Upwork.com, and they will do all the on-page and off-page SEO for you so that your articles actually show up on Google. That's very important, right? So you won't know how to do that because you're not an SEO expert, but you would hire somebody else to do that, and they can be relatively inexpensive. You can hire anyone from starting from around $3 to $5 per hour, right? And you just give them the work based on your budget. Now, it's going to cost a little bit of money to get started with SEO, but once you get started, you can potentially get 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 100 leads for free every single day, and you're targeting people in your specific industry, all right? So let me again show you how this works. On a 30,000 foot view, right? So this is my website, this is my hub, this is my blog, right? Now on my blog, I have a whole bunch of different information, but I also write articles on my blog, and you can see right here, okay, where I will write articles based on my particular industry. So again, I'm in affiliate marketing, right? So I might write an article where I'm doing a review of a make money product, or I might go after make money style keywords or affiliate marketing style keywords or drop shipping style keywords, and I will basically go and rank for them, right? So for example, if I was to do a keyword on how to stop being poor, that is an actual keyword that people type out on Google, okay? So how to stop being poor, people will actually type that out on Google because they want to learn how to be more successful in life. They want to stop being poor, right? So someone might type that out. Now, if I created an article on that particular keyword, and maybe I recorded a video as well, you don't necessarily have to, it could just be an article. What I would then do is I would get my SEO consultant to rank this particular article on Google, so that when someone types out how to stop being poor on Google, they're gonna find my article, and then they would click into the article, they would read it, and then they would take action, and they would click on the links, and they would go to my squeeze page, which again you can learn how to build a squeeze page by checking out that video if you want, right? And then they would become a lead, and that's how you generate traffic through SEO. Okay, it takes a little bit of time, but you can build it out, really quickly, which is really cool. Okay, so that is basically the SEO strategy. All right, now the final strategy that I'm going to teach you is Facebook. Right, now Facebook is 100% free. All you would do is you would add yourself to niche groups. Okay, you would add valuable videos every single day, and then you would get them to, you give them a call to action to get onto your email list, and that's how you would generate leads. Okay, so let me show you how to do that now. Sorry, before I do that, I'm just going to show you how to create your blog, right? So you would go to a website called Fiverr or Upwork, and literally you would type out here how to blog creation, build blog or blog. Okay, and for example, you'll find a whole bunch of people that will either build a blog for you or write articles for you. So you just have to do the right searches and find the right people. These guys are a little bit more expensive, but you can rank it by price as well. So you can figure out how to do that here. But Fiverr is a cool site. Another site that I like to use is Upwork.com. Okay, where you can hire people for more long-term jobs if you want. So again, this one is not 100% free, but once you build it out, right, and you search for it here, okay, then actually a lot of the traffic that's coming in is free, and it's much more affordable because now you've got more leverage. You've got a website that's going to work for you, for example, and these articles are going to be there forever. So you're going to continue to generate free traffic, day in and day out. I hope that makes sense. Okay, now with the Facebook thing, okay, all you need to do is come into Facebook, right? All of you probably have a Facebook account, right? You come to the top here and you search, you go directly to groups, okay? And then under groups, what you would do is you would type out whatever niche you're in. Let's just say it's dog training. Okay, you would type out dog training. You would go to dog training groups, for example, and you would click on groups. All right. And what you would do is you would join as many groups in your niche as possible. So you can see here, dog behaviors, 38,000 members. Dog training advice, 23,000 members. Dog Training 101, 181,000 members. So you would join as many groups as you can, and then what you would do is you would come into each group every single day, and you would drop a valuable video inside of the group, all right? And once you drop that valuable video, people are going to start to notice you, and then you give them a call to action at the end of the video, right? So what you're doing is you're adding value, you're teaching them something that they want to learn about dog training or whatever niche that you're in. And at the end of the video, you tell them to take action, and they basically go directly to your squeeze page, your landing page, where you can collect the lead. And that's pretty much it. So the only strategy out of these three that will require you to, create content for the long term, where there's a little bit less leverage, is the Facebook strategy, but it is 100% free. Okay. The other two strategies, YouTube and SEO, has a lot more leverage in the long term because your content is going to be there forever. All right. And these are the ways that you can start to generate a lot of traffic for free. Now, does it take a little bit of work? Yeah, it's going to take a little bit of work, unfortunately, right? Because it's free traffic. But once you get the ball rolling, and you do it for the long term, it's going to be so much easier for you to generate free traffic every single day. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video today. Let me know in the comment section what you learned and whether you're going to apply some of these strategies. Would appreciate it if you can give me some thumbs ups, right? And if you're like, Aaron, this content is awesome, remember to subscribe to the channel, right? Hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you know every time we release a new video. And if you're like, Aaron, I would love to get into this a little bit more. How do I really start to build a very successful affiliate marketing business? Well, you can jump onto our free workshop by clicking the link below. All right, we've got a free 6-figure workshop, and if you're ready to work with me, there's a second link on the bottom below where you can get into one of our programs where we'll show you how to do this step by step. Hope you enjoyed this video today, and see you on another video. Take care.